Hey gardeners, welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the hidden gems of gardening. Ever heard of Epsom salt? You might have seen it in the health aisle, but did you know it's a powerhouse for your garden too? It's not just for soaking in the tub after a long day. While it's great for relaxation, its benefits extend far beyond that. Today, I'm diving into the magic of Epsom salt, both for you and your plants. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is Epsom salt? It's more than just a fancy name. Despite the name, it's not really salt. It's magnesium sulphate, a naturally occurring mineral compound. Magnesium is essential for healthy cell function, while sulphate helps improve nutrient absorption. Together they form a dynamic duo. This little mineral combo can work wonders. From lush gardens to relaxed muscles, the benefits are endless. First up, why use Epsom salt? Let's break it down. For humans, it's a go-to for relieving muscle aches, reducing inflammation, and even providing some much-needed relaxation. Imagine soaking in a warm bath, feeling your muscles unwind. You simply dissolve it in warm water and soak away your stress. Easy, right? It's like having a spa day at home. But here's where it gets even cooler. Epsom salt isn't just for you, it's a secret weapon in the garden too. Epsom salt is a secret weapon in the garden too. It's like giving your plants a superfood boost. Sprinkle some around your plants and you're giving them a boost of magnesium, which is crucial for photosynthesis. This means your plants can make the most of the sunlight they receive. Better photosynthesis means healthier, greener plants. Got tomato plants? They'll love it. Epsom salt can help prevent blossom end rot by providing calcium uptake. No more sad, rotting tomatoes. And for all you rose lovers, it can lead to bigger, more vibrant blooms. Imagine your garden filled with stunning, colorful roses. Just dissolve a tablespoon in a gallon of water and give your plants a good drink every couple of weeks. It's that simple. And it doesn't stop there. Epsom salt has even more tricks up its sleeve. Epsom salt can help deter pests like slugs and keep your lawn looking lush and green. It's a natural pest control solution. Just sprinkle a bit directly onto the soil. It's an easy and effective way to protect your garden. It's an all-natural way to keep your garden thriving. No harsh chemicals needed. Now let's talk about how to use it. Whether for your bath or your garden, it's versatile and easy to use. For a relaxing soak, add about 2 cups of Epsom salt to your bath. You'll feel the tension melt away. For your plants, you can mix it with water or sprinkle it directly into the soil. Both methods are effective. Remember, a little goes a long way. You don't need much to see the benefits. Overdoing it can harm your plants, so stick to the recommended amounts. Moderation is key, and the benefits don't stop at the garden. Epsom salt is a versatile addition to your beauty routine as well. Epsom salt can also be a great DIY beauty product. It's like having a spa in your own home. Use it as an exfoliant in the shower or mix with your favorite oil for a soothing foot scrub. It's versatile and inexpensive. Your skin will feel rejuvenated. So next time you're at the store, grab a bag of Epsom salt. It's a small investment with big returns. Your muscles, your plants, and even your skin will thank you. It's a win-win for everyone. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this information as exciting as I do. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!